Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to change video quality in Reddit. Let's start this video. First of all, you need to open your mobile settings app. After opening it, you have to search for data saver. So in my mobile, I have to just click on SIM card and mobile network. Then scroll down. Then I have to scroll down and in the network optimization, click on data settings and data usage. Over here you will find data saver option. Click on it. Now if you turn on this option, it means that the videos which you will watch will be in lower quality. But if you turn this off, that means the video quality will be in higher mode. Now click on unrestricted data and over here search for Reddit. So as you can see, my Reddit is currently not checked on. So if I check this on, it means that Reddit application will use lower data. It means that videos will appear in lower quality. But if I turn this off, then videos will be in higher quality. I hope you understand this video. If so, please consider in liking this video and subscribe this channel.